I don't know if you can see this, but something just blew up down the street. Like a trailer just blew up. And it was bigger than that. It was a lot bigger than that. I just happened to grab my phone and come out. All the people going away. This thing was huge when it went off. It blew up the whole sky. I still got people coming up here. This thing was a huge fire. See if I can get closer. Whoa. And it was bigger than that. Huge. This just happened. Just now. This is crazy. Whoa. You can see him shooting the water. Far out, you can see him shooting the water.
Shooting the water in on it.
Yeah, right, yeah, you can see him shooting it in there.
Yeah.
Man, and it's still big, man. It was bigger than this.
Yeah. They blew the whole fucking thing.
Well, whatever, it was huge.
Yeah.
And you see him shooting, I don't know what it does. I ain't even going to speculate right now. But it was big. It was the whole fucking block here. That whole block was on fire. Not just that, the whole block.
Okay, I'm gonna go over here and get him to bring the
Okay?
our driveway.
I'm going to be putting this online.
Yeah.
Let's see how many hits I get. Huh?
Over here. Not over
Man, this thing's fucking awesome. And I'm quite a ways. This is only a few blocks from where I'm living at. Crazy. Just think if it was just if it was right there. Right next door. Man, we would be really in trouble. Looks like they're getting it out now. But it was burning big time. Whoa.